few lecture of current electricity. Right, in this section of current electricity, this is the last lecture. We will be seeing thermoelectric effect. Thermo means temperature, and due to temperature there are some electrical effects produced. However, these topics are sometimes included, sometimes not included in the syllabus, but their knowledge is very much important. So there are only two effects, two simple topics in this chapter. The first one we have is Seebeck effect. Seebeck effect. Seebeck, he was a scientist and he was performing an experiment. What was that experiment? Experiment was something like this. He took two glasses, right? In these two glasses, in the one glass, right, it was filled with ice, and other one was hot boiling water. What did he found? This part is made up of copper, right? And this another part of the wire, it is made up of iron. Now what did he found? He found that under such conditions, this is one junction of the wire, right, copper and iron, and this is another junction of the wire, copper and iron. When the two junctions of the wire they are maintained at different temperature, he saw that galvanometer saw the deflection. When the junctions of the wire, right, junction of the wire are maintained at different temperature, there was a current flowing in this wire, and this effect is called as a Peltier effect. Let us write down its theory, right? So we can start with when junctions of wire of two different material is maintained at different temperature, galvanometer shows deflection. Hence, EMF is produced between the junction, and this EMF is called thermal EMF or Seebeck EMF. Correct? Furthermore, if I write down, then due to this thermal EMF, current flows in the wire, and this current is called Seebeck current or thermal current. Seebeck current or thermal current. This effect is called thermoelectric effect, also called as Seebeck effect. That is what it is about the Seebeck effect. Now here certain more points. See, thermoelectric current increases with increase in temperature difference. Now more the temperature difference between these two jars, more is the thermoelectric current. It also depends on combination of two metals. Some metals give larger Seebeck effect, some lesser. Combination of metals is called thermocouple. Combination of metal, it is called as thermocouple, right? So here these are the terms which need to be very well understood, right? I will underline those terms. Seebeck effect or thermal EMF, these are asked for 1 mark as an MCQs, right? Seebeck current or thermal current, thermoelectric effect or Seebeck effect, and the factors on which this Seebeck effect depends. There is also one graph related to it. That graph is like this, the variation of the EMF with the temperature. So this graph denotes that at some particular temperature, right, which is known as a neutral temperature, at neutral temperature, thermo, or better we use a Seebeck EMF is maximum, and if the temperature is increased beyond, EMF decreases, temperature is decreased, again the EMF decreases. So and at one particular neutral temperature, right, Seebeck effect is maximum. Then other one effect we have is Peltier effect. What is Peltier effect? Peltier effect, right, it is exactly opposite to the opposite of Seebeck effect. What does it mean? It means that what was in the Seebeck effect? In Seebeck effect, if you maintain junctions at different temperature, current flows. Here, if current flows, then junction of wire appears either heated or cooled. That is what is a Peltier effect. This Peltier effect or Peltier module is also widely used in air conditioners, refrigerators, exactly opposite to it. Here we maintain different temperature, current flows. Here if the current flows, then one of the junction becomes hot and other becomes cold. There is also again one condition, that is if you reverse the direction of the current, right, direction of the current is reversed, hot and cold junction gets changed. If direction of current is reversed, then hot and cold junction changes, right? So let's say the current is flowing in this direction, this is cold and this is hot. If you reverse the direction of the current, this will become hot and this will become cold. So that is what is the thermoelectric effect, Seebeck effect and Peltier effect. Thank you.